This is Matt with VanDam Construction. We got a request to build something I've always wanted to build, and that is a hidden room with a secret entrance. Okay, this is the doorway into the closet. First thing we're doing is we're removing the little bits of trim all the way around this. And then into the closet, we're going to have to remove, say hi Brian, say hi Cody. Going to have to remove this piece of trim. So that's the next thing we're doing. I'm trying to get taller. I'm trying to shrink because I can't fit in this little tiny closet. Film this at the same time.
That feels like silicone, man.
It is. It's just back in there a bit.
Back in there a bit too.
I know, as far as I can get. If I was any closer, I'd be wearing his clothes.
Alright, hopefully that'll be enough.
Make sure you break the tiles so we can just pop those out and fix them too.
Dude, this is a tile. It's not gonna break.
Ceramic will actually take a brutal beating before it breaks. Okay, we removed this piece of the casing all the way down because we had to push this part in about 1/2 of an inch to make that opening wider a little bit so that the doors will be able to swing right. That'll make sense later. Now we got to fix that destroyed part and put the casing back on, but that's the next step. One thing I did is I replaced every single factory screw on all the hinges with a 3-inch long screw. That way I'll be sure to get into enough of the structure, the framing structure, that it'll be nice and solid. Another thing I did is I added a couple of wheels on the bottom of the bookshelf so you can't see it, but that way if the bookshelf tends to sag a little bit or it's a little too much force on those hinges, the wheels will take the rest of the weight and you can stack that entire bookshelf full of books. No problem.
Hold the camera.
Actually, you guys just... Yeah, good. Blast it. In fact, wheels are in. Without it on. That's without it. Yeah, yeah.
Back over to the over in part of the Jubilee, tri-state side by side 4-day meet over here. So,
Oh yeah?
So we're working. So the thing about coming back over here, we rent a couple side by side.
Pretty simple, really. Pull the one book to open it. This other one has a handle routed in it, you can hardly see. Pull it shut. Pulls on this cable. It's attached to a couple of pulleys. With a little bungee to put some tension on it so it'll stay shut. That's it. There you go. If you like that video, consider subscribing. We put out about 1 video a week. You can check more videos out right here or my website right there. VanDamConstruction.net. Thanks for watching.